Hi, I'm Jennie. I introduce some Korean foods, some traditional food, and some are these days Korean people like to eat. That kind of food I introduce to you. So today's food is we call Bibimmyun. This is in market. We can find a variety kind of Bibimmyun. But this one is when the weather is getting hotter. So this Bibimmyun is when the summer lunch. For summer lunch, it's really good. And also, it's good to eat with meat together. So, here's the recipe. It's 600 milliliters water, boiling water. And when the water is boiled, and then put this noodles. So inside, I will cut this one. Inside, here noodles, dried noodles. And this is a sauce for this bibimmyun. So now it's a 600 milliliters water, boiling water. And put this one. And boil 3 minutes. And now I will prepare some vegetables. Actually, it's just boil this noodle and mix this sauce. Prepare the sauce and mix it and eat. Just to finish. It's very easy. But I prepare some vegetables, so it's eat together is nice. First, cut a little bit of a cucumber. So slice the cucumber. But keep the time. 3 minutes. I think it's important to nice noodle. Okay. If you want to eat more nice noodle, is take it out from here and put in the water and take it out a little bit up and down. Then makes the noodle little more sticky. We have a special word for this noodle. So when taste is good and when we do it this one up and down, we said 쫄깃한 면발. We said like that. Okay, I think it's 3 minutes. Now it's cold water. Drain this. Take it out. Drain this water and you don't want any cold water, or you can use ice water. Okay, put it here a little bit. So make the vegetables and this onion a little bit, and this one king crab. Tear it down with my finger. Okay, here put these noodles here and this sauce, bibimmyun soup. Okay, and here if you want to eat this styles, it's okay, but I prepare some vegetables, so I think we put some more sauce. So this one is a chili paste, a little bit of chili paste here, and here's chili powder, and this is a plum syrup, and this one sesame oil. Okay, and here I will put vegetables on top. This cucumber, slice the cucumber, and here and onions. Okay. Okay. And here boiled egg. And here's some, if you put some sesame seeds. Okay. It's very easy but it was really taste. It's really yummy. So ready? You serve like this, or you mix with the sauce first and then put these toppings on it, and it's okay. But now I just put the noodle and sauce and toppings. So before you eat, you mix it all together and you eat. Okay, this one is bibimmyun. You try it if you want. Okay, bye. See you next time.